Hello dear students, good morning and welcome to today's video session of subject mathematics students, where today we are going to continue in the workbook page number 23. Students, let us discuss the question number 3. What does it say? Tick. We have to do the tick mark in the box which are given here in the questions for the closed shapes from the shapes given below. Students, there are 8 different shapes given. In every situation the shapes are the different. Students, what I have to do here is that I have to do a tick mark in the figures which are the closed figures. Now let me clear which figure we can term as the closed figure and which figure is known as the open figure. Here I have taken the paper to clear your concept. Now I wanted to draw one square. For square, I know that 4 sides are necessary. Now if I'll stop up to this one, it means I have drawn one line here, another line, and connected the third line like this. Now in this figure, simply this line is not connected with the downside line. Now when it is not connected, until I'll not connect the line, the figure cannot be said to be finished. I cannot say that this is a figure of square. This is not the square figure. Now if this is not the square figure, why it is not the square figure? Because the fourth line is not connected with this one. Okay, so now fourth line, when it is not connected, which figure can be known as this? We only have to define the figures in 2 categories, as the open figure and the closed figure. Now this figure, when it is not connected, this is not closed and connected from every side, this can be termed as the open figure. Clear? This can be termed as the open figure. Now let us understand the next situation. Now here I have drawn one line, and in this one I have well connected this line with every line. Now these all four sides are connected with each other. This figure can be termed as the square figure. This figure can be termed as the square figure, and I can say that this one is the closed figure. This one is the closed figure. In the same pattern, students, let us coming back to our question. What does it say? In the same question only, the figures which are closed, like the ones which I have explained to you in the paper, that can be termed as the closed figure. Otherwise, when it is open, that can be termed as my open figures. And in the open figures, I will do a cross mark here. Now in this section, what it is given here, this is not connected with each other in this figure. So what I will do here, students, I will do a cross mark here. Let's do the next sum. This is a triangle and this is well connected with every side. So now when it is connected with all the sides, and this can be termed as the closed figure. Now when this is the closed figure, I will do a tick mark here. I will do a tick mark. Let's do in the next sum. It is well connected with every side, and it can be termed as the closed figure because it is closed and all the sides are linked with each other. So this is my closed figure. I will do a tick mark. The fourth number which is given here is that which says all the sides, no any 2 sides are connected with each other, and neither it is connected and nor it is a closed figure. So what is this? This is an open figure. I will do a cross mark like this. Sure. Next one, what does it say? In the fifth one, I have to do a tick mark because this is a closed figure. This one also is a closed figure because all the sides are connected with each other, students. These all sides are connected with each other. The seventh one, these both situations are the same. Like in this figure, no sides are connected. Neither this is a closed figure, nor this is a closed figure. These both figures are the open figures. I will do a cross mark for this one. Okay, students. In the next one, question number 8, what is given here? All the sides are closed with each other. So this figure can be termed as the closed figure. I will do a tick mark here. Okay, students. Now let us do the next question. Question number 4. Count the angles of each shape given below and write it in the box. Here again downside we have been given some of the angles. Now in this one what we need to do here, we only have to mention the number of the angles and we have to write it down like we have done already in our previous session. So students, what is the situation when angle is made? An angle is made when two or more lines are connected with each other. Here is the first line, here it is the second line. They both are connected here. Here one angle we are making here. This one is the angle number 1. Here downside one line is there, another line is there. Here one point we are getting, it means we are getting an angle. This is angle number 2. Here we are connecting the sides. Here we are getting the angles. This is side number 3. Here in the fourth one, here we are getting situation and point. This is angle 4. We are getting the 4 angles here. The next one says here it is the first, it is the second, and this one is the third. 3 angles are there in the figure. The next situation is also having connecting point here. This one is first angle, second angle, third angle, fourth angle, and fifth angle. 5 angles are there. We have to write down the number of the angles which are given. Let's come to the fourth situation. Here also these are the number of the angles given. This one is the first angle. This one is the second one, this one is the third one, and this one is the fourth one. This is the fifth one. 5 angles are there, students, in this one. The next situation, first, second, third, fourth, 4 angles are there. This is a figure, students, 6 sides it is having, and this can be known as the hexagon figure. So when we'll join all the figures, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 angles will write here. The next figure which is given, which you can look at, what is given in the next figure, students? This is not any figure in the maths, but this can be termed as the zigzag figures. We can call this figure as the zigzag lines. Like I have written here, zigzag lines. It means these figures are termed as the zigzag line. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 angles are here. This is first, this is second, this is third, and this one is the fourth. 4 angles are here. Fifth one, this last figure, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 angles are here. So students, for today's session, we have done 2 questions. Hope that you will write in the workbook. And for your today's homework, today I am giving you the homework in the maths. The exercise which we have done yesterday, we have started the chapter with question number 1 and question number 2. So what you have to do, students, this question number 2 and this question number 1, you have to do it in the homework. So for our next video session, until then, goodbye, enjoy your day, have a nice day to all.